Alright, so I'm here with my 2005 6-liter. I had a standpipe O-ring go out on the passenger side, so I just buttoned that up. But while I'm in here, I figured, you know what, it's time to update my turbo. I'll show you guys a video of my stock turbo. I don't have it here, I brought it home. But so I'm gonna step up to this KC 10 wheel turbo. So let's look at what it is. Unboxing it. Alright, so we got some stickers here, some more promo stuff, some installation instructions, which is pretty cool. A little link there if you need to go. Some, I guess, swag if you promote their product. This is another instructions from Garrett. Alright, let's see what we got here. Sorry, I don't have a phone stand. This looks like some screws and some O-rings used for the turbo line. It's cool. Alright. The standpipe. All your gaskets. Nice. Alright, and now for a moment of truth. Again, it's only a stage 1 turbo, nothing crazy. But it's their 10 blade wheel on the exhaust side. It's pretty heavy, so I'm gonna take it out of the box with 2 hands. I'm gonna put the phone down. Alright, now that I got it out of the box, start with the intake side. So you can see, very nicely done. Wheel looks good, nice and smooth, no play. Flip this over, and here you can see on the exhaust side. Again, I went with the 10 blade exhaust side. A little bit more whistle and a little bit more top end. But that's the unit. Looks pretty clean. See a little sticker there, KC turbos. So I'll let you know how it sounds. KC turbo. See how it sounds. Alright, so as you can see, I got 5th gear, torque converter locked, climbing up a little grade, going about 55 miles an hour, light throttle. But as you can see, here's where you can really notice the 10 blade. Still in torque converters locked, but my EGTs are starting to climb. My vanes are about 50% on the turbo. It's that top one in the corner right there. Again, still staying in 5th gear, torque converter locked, and it, you know, it's got pretty power. But as you can see, the exhaust gas temps climb pretty good. You know, just a little grade like that. Whereas a 13 blade wouldn't have climbed that much, but still enough power to keep it in gear, no downshifting. But again, what I find with the 10 blade is that around town driving, you do get a little lag compared to a 13 blade, but on the highway, which I'll demonstrate, is night and day. You push the gas and it'll hold the gear and pull pretty good. So ultimately, if you can deal with a little bit more lag around town, 10 blade definitely seems to be the way to go. If you're doing a lot of highway driving, definitely. But if you're more around town, I think the 13 blade is a little bit better. But at a red light, you can clearly see the turbo whistle is pretty strong. But overall, pretty happy with the 10 blade. Can't complain, especially on the highway. Highway driving for sure.